Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, your SS teacher, welcome you all in e-learning class of Modern International Siswa. I'm going to start subject History of Standard 8, and this is Chapter 5, When People Rebels, and this is Lecture 4 on the topic. Dear students, yesterday we have discussed that how the Sipais they reached toward Delhi, and as the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar, he became old, and as he was watching his age, but at the beginning he had denied that no, we cannot just do against the British. But as he had accepted the demand, he written a letter to all the chief and rulers of the country to come forward to organize the Confederation of Indian State to fight the British. As at the time, the last Mughal emperor was Bahadur Shah Jafar. So all the kings and the chieftains they were get ready. They get enthusiastic because at that time the British he had spreaded such the things that no one want that we should be continue with the British. All they want that the end when the end of this British will be soon. Okay, now the Mughal dynasties it was ruled over a large part of the country. Okay, and maximum the rulers and chieftains that control different territories on behalf of Mughal ruler. As they think again that whenever once we will have the authorities of Mughal, then we don't have to be threatened by the British, and we can gain the all the powers and resources what we have in the earlier times. So the British they had not expected that this would be happen. They thought that the issue of the Kartis will die down, but the Bahadur Shah Jafar letters it created a rebel and changed the entire situation dramatically. It means all the person they thought we have one of the leaders who are leading us. Okay, and they have one of the way that if we could be free from the English, the British, we will have our own country, and whether the country will be ruled by the Mughal, then it will be fine, because lastly Mughal was ruling there. So the rebellion spread. Next topic. After the British they routed from Delhi, there was no uprising almost a week. It took much time for news to travel. Then a spurt of mutinies began. Okay, it means after that time when a letter was issued by Bahadur Shah Jafar, from the all other different part of the countries, the peoples they were started. They have begun. Okay, like, and Delhi it became the nodal points. Okay, Kanpur and Lucknow. So after the peoples of the towns as well as village they rose up and joined the rebellions and rallied around the local leaders, Jamindar chiefs who were prepared to establish their authority, fights the British. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of late Peshwa Bajirao, who lived in Kanpur, they gathered the armed sword and expelled the British garrison from the city. He proclaimed himself as Peshwa. Okay, Peshwa it means Prime Minister. Okay, and declared that he was the governor under Bahadur Shah Jafar. Since all the kings they get enthusiastic, they get such a power that we have a leader and we have to work for our leader, and all the person, whether the old, the young, all they have aroused and they have joined the rebellions. So in Lucknow, the Birjis Qadr, the son of the deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, who proclaimed the Nawab, as well as her his mother Begum Hazrat Mahal, she also took part in uprising against the British. And dear students, Lakshmi Bai, one of the most important warriors from Jhansi, she also fought against the British along with the Tatia Tope, who was the general of Nana Sahib. And in Mandla region, the Madhya Pradesh, Rani Avanti Bai, Lodi of Ramgarh, raised an army of 4,000 against the British, who had taken over the administration of her state. See, all the locals, chieftains, and all the rulers who were ruling in a particular limited area, they all, with their all will, they have started. As well as the British, they were greatly outnumbered by the rebel forces. It means they don't know what to do, as well as they defeated in number of battles. This convinced people that rule of British has collapsed, and they thought that we having the good confidence, and they taken the plunge and joined the rebellions. Situation was widespread popular rebellion developed in Awadh in particular on 6 August 1857. A telegram sent by the Lieutenant Colonel Tytler to his commanding-in-chief expressing the fear by the British. They telling that our men are crowded by number opposed to them. Endless fighting, every village is held against us. Jamindars has risen to oppose us. It means that British that is sending the message to his commanding-in-chief and telling that we are being depressed, and we are being depressed by this number of peoples. Those peoples who were obeying us, they are just opposing us. And many the new leaders came up, like the Ahmadullah Shah, the Maulvi from Faizabad, professed the new rule of the British would come to an end soon. It means he is telling like that, and he cowed the imagination of people and raised a huge number of supporters. Now he came to Lucknow and fight the British. So in Delhi, the number of Ghazis and religious warriors, they come to wipe out the white peoples. And the Bhakt Khan, a soldier from Bareilly, who took charge and taken the large force of fighters who come to Delhi, he became the key military leader of the rebellions. So in Bihar, the old Jamindars, the Kunwar Singh, they also joined the rebels, and they have also stopped them for British for many months. Leaders and fighters from across the land joined the fight. So this type of situation, when the message was sent to British, then further the British, it was also come back, and these rebels was suppressed. Okay dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.